it's me, Nanji again, and welcome to my channel. So, today, guys, we will be reacting to Darren Espanto singing Maybe the Night. At isa po to sa mga request na song for me. Song sa akin para bigyan natin ng version ko ng sarili kong reaction sa kantang to. So, today po, nakahanap po ako ng paraan to grant your request, and hopefully you will like my reaction. And if you do, after this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, sa mga napadaan pa lang, please hit the subscribe button para lagi tayong magkita araw-araw. And just for sure na lagi nyo ako makikita every time na nag-post ako ng video, please click or hit the bell notification para lagi kayong notified. So today, guys, again, I'm so excited to watch his performance kasi naku-curious ako kung bakit ang daming nag-request ng song about his performance. Ang daming nag-request ng video na to. So I'm excited to see his performance and on how he delivers his power, his passion in singing, or his anong magandang tawag doon, his techniques maybe. So tara, guys, let's watch it now.
I wanna lay down by the fire with you. Our souls are glowing.
Napansin ko, guys, yung boses niya dito, parang neutral voice niya. Yung the way he speak, nilagyan lang ng tono at ng melody doon sa music. Kaya, ang ganda pakinggan, napaka-natural. Parang laid back. He is very relaxed as well. Tingnan mo yung tsura niya. Parang different from his previous or his video na ginamit natin as a reaction entry sa mga previous videos na na-post ko.
If one or two, your love surrounds me like a lullaby. Sing.
Narinig yun, guys. Yung lullaby. Ang ganda ng vibrato. Parang konting sipa ng vibrato. Hindi siya ganun ka, yung texture, hindi ganun ka bigat, hindi ganun ka kapal, pero yung quality, ang ganda. He sounded like Michael Bublé sa quality ng performance niya dito so far, ha. Hindi ko pa alam sa mga susunod na line, pero from the start up until dito sa part na to, he sounded like Michael Bublé. Yung peg nung song is para siyang love song na parang paano bang genre to? Iba parang basta, let's just continue, guys.
It's something you might know mine. Moon has never glowed this color. Hearts have never been this close. I will never be more certain. I will love you till we're old. Maybe the night holds a little hope for us, dear. Maybe we might want to settle down, just be near, stay together. Yeah. color. Hearts have never been this close. I
Nagbi-build up na yung song, pero yung boses niya, yung texture and quality ng boses niya is still the same from the moment na nag-start siya ng kanta. Ngayon, pataas na siya, pero yung kapal, yung thickness ng range niya is still the same. And the best about this is he is taking his time. Hindi siya nagmamadali. And look at his body uh, gesture, his body characteristics is pasok na pasok din sa way ng kanta niya. 'Di ba? Every time na kumakanta si Darren, like super movement siya. Pag ang kanta is upbeat, 'di ba? Tapos dito sa song na 'to, parang nag-level up masyado, nag-jump from previous videos na pinapanood ko, or maybe because ang mga previous videos ko is bata pa siya. Kaya ramdam ko yung pagkakaiba nung mga videos na nirakan ko sa video na 'to. Kasi parang binatang-binata na siya. Parang yung movement niya is, paano ba sabihin to? Parang kakaiba. Hindi siya yung super galaw, hindi siya ganun super kanta. Parang may nire-reserve siyang something sa range or sa notes niya or sa breathing niya para sa pag-build up ng song. So, I am not sure. Maybe yun yung mangyayari. So, let's start. Let's finish this.
never be more certain. I will love you too. Oh, yeah. Baby.
Yun yung sinasabi ko. Yun yung build-up na sinasabi ko. Yung placement niya from the normal song, normal range niya, yung neutral voice niya, yung placement niya is tumaas ng isang taas, and then yung kapal ng boses niya numipis ng onte. Then binalik niya ulit sa thickness. 'Di ba? Napansin niyo yung part na yon. And yung texture ng ginamit niya doon sa placement ng note na yon is ang sarap pakinggan. Doon makikita yung point wherein nag-iiba yung tono ng song na kailangan itaas na yung song.
Holds a little hope for us, dear. Maybe we might, yeah, wanna settle down, just be near, stay together. Oh yeah. Maybe the night holds a little hope for us, dear.
So, yung resonance ng boses niya dito is accordingly doon sa age niya na. Yung parang, kasi ito yung parang fully developed na yung puberty stage niya. So, yung quality ng boses niya is parang angkop na angkop din sa way ng singing style niya sa song na to, and even the movement style niya para maka-connect doon sa kinakanta niya. So parang kino-connect niya yung galaw niya doon sa kinakanta niya para maramdaman natin na he's not the same as before kung paano siya mag-perform, but then nag-leveling na siya, level up na lalo. Kung magaling siya dati, mas mararamdaman natin yung galing niya, especially this time buo na yung boses niya.
Maybe we might wanna settle down, just be near. Maybe the night holds a little hope for us, dear. Maybe we might wanna settle down, just be near. Stay together, stay together. Yeah.
So, yung part ng Stay Together, dalawang beses niya inulit sa line. Dalawang beses niya inulit yung part na yon. Nakita niyo yung first part and second part, mas mahaba yung second part ng Stay Together kung paano niya i-deliver. Kasi parang ito yung stage na iparamdam sa mga viewers na ito yung point wherein matatapos na yung kanta. Siguro. I'm not sure, pero feeling ko ito yung part na matatapos na yung yung song na to, yung performance niya, kaya binigyan niya na ng emphasize yung line na yun, 'di ba? So let's see. Yeah, I think I am right. So yun guys, tama nga ako. Darren actually given us the performance, different performance sa mga performances niya sa previous videos ko. Dito niya pinakita sa ating lahat na he's old enough and his voice is developed enough as a big man, or adult na yung register ng boses niya. Hindi na katulad ng dati na baby pa lang pakinggan, 'di ba? Ang layo na ng boses niya before, at ngayon I am not pertaining na mababa yung boses niya. It's just that lumaki yung boses niya. Ramdam na natin na binata na si baby boy Darren natin. So, yun yung gusto kong iparamdam or gusto kong ring sabihin sa lahat. So the song is so beautiful, it's so relaxing, it's very laid back, the texture, the quality, and then he added some colors and flavors doon sa song through his beautiful vibrato. Ang ganda-ganda pakinggan. So that's it for today, guys. So hopefully you like my reaction, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. And sa mga hindi pa po naka-subscribe, you know what to do, subscribe now. And sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-request, or if you have any song na gusto nyong ma-request, or any artist and song or performance na ginawa nila, please comment that and request that, because like what I've mentioned sa mga previous videos ko, pag kaya, ginagawa ko kahit ilang videos pa for the day. So yeah, that's it guys for today, and have a great day. See you in my next video. Mwah!